Yeah, it is time to understand the format or the layout of a trading account. The trading account has two formats in preparation. We have the T format and of course the vertical format. But here, this is the T format for senior secondary school majorly, since it's a introductory part of the account. Now we have in our previous video we have already talked about the definition of trading accounts, terminologies, and all of that. Here, we want to see how these accounts can be prepared by illustrative format. We have the opening stock, we have the purchases, we have the carriage inwards. Yes, all of these terms have been explained in our previous classes. Okay, the purchases is added to the carriage inwards, which is part of the uh, trading account. Yes, that is why it's added because it's a cost, it's part of the cost that was incurred in acquiring items in the firm. Then we have the return inwards. The return inwards is reduced because it is part of the items that were actually purchased and returned back to the owner or to the supplier, as the case may be. Here we have goods returned or goods withdrawn or goods destroyed by fire. Yes, they are deducted because when we talk about drawings here, we are referring to items that were actually used by owners. Okay, these are expenses, but they are part of the trading activity. Then we have the closing stock. We have our gross profit, like I said before. Every gross profit or profits you arrive at before expenses are actually deducted. This is our sales report, and of course, we are reducing our returns inwards from our sales report. Where there is a return inwards, it means that sales has actually taken place, but part of what was sold was returned. So that is why we have to reduce the figure. So sales are items bought and are readily available for sale. And returns inwards are described as items that were actually sold but returned or parts of what was bought were returned by the buyer to the seller, okay, and which is a reduction in the sales figure. So at the end of the day, sales minus sales return gives us what we call net sales. That brings us to the word called net sales. Yes. So at the end of the day, we'll have our trading accounts. Now look at the terminologies which has been explained in our previous videos. All of these terminologies here are the information about the trading account. We have the sales here. We have the uh, returns inwards. We have the uh, turnover. We have the purchases. Okay, we have the returns outwards. Okay, we have the carriage inwards, we have the carried outwards. All this information has already been explained in our previous videos. So when you go to our previous classes, you're going to see and understand better. But for a proper clarification is to add this to what has been explained earlier. Please like and share our videos. God bless you.